The Dallas Mavericks have been on a roll. They've been through a streak already this season, Grant, where they held 15 straight opponents below 100 points. In fact, it's darn tough to get 90 off these guys.
Well, they're relying heavily on their interior defense. They do a very good job of protecting the basket. They don't have a legitimate shot blocker, but they're very rarely are they out of position on drive, so they'll come over and deter the driver from getting to the basket.
Very difficult to score in the paint on Dallas. Something else, too, they've had some injury problems. Nowitzki, Kidd, Vince Carter have all missed time because of injuries, and they just keep reloading off that bench.
Well, the one thing you have to say about the Mavericks, they are a championship caliber ball club, and they have veterans on this team who understand what they need to do, how to get their bodies prepared to play the next game, and I think that's what you're seeing. Their veteran experience coming through right now. They're starting to pick up a rhythm, and over these last few games, they've really been playing well, scoring over 100 points.
The Thunder is coming off of that decisive loss against the Clippers at Los Angeles. The head coach, Scott Brooks, says, hey, look, it's 1 of 20. Most teams will take one bad game in 20. Thunder right back at it against a formidable opponent. An I-35 rival tonight. We'll have it for you with Thunder Live starting at 6:30. Ball game at 7 o'clock on Fox Sports Oklahoma.